Welcome to Tech with Anirudh. Today we're going to talk about. Let me explain. Ubuntu Downloader is a project which I created that can download Ubuntu easily for you. Let's get started. First, go to the URL, which I'll give you in the description down below. Or you can just go to my GitHub, which is github.com slash at AniLinux20. I think it's Anirudh Tech. Yeah, it's Anirudh Tech. Gists.github.com slash Anirudh Tech for my repo to directly see my repo. Not my repo, my GitHub IPYND. So yeah, let's get started. First, connect and log into Google account. After that, choose your preferred options. I choose the latest version of Ubuntu. I use Ubuntu, so I've chosen Ubuntu, and the operating system type is desktop, and the processor is AMD 64. And I've given the advanced option variable, which is a variable you can mess with to change the flavor, version, OS type, and processor. And there. So yeah. First, I'll explain the code before running. Okay. The code is I'm gonna import subprocess and I'm gonna import Google Colab files and I'm gonna cd and remove all this files which is already created and yeah. And I'm gonna create some variables saying Ubuntu version, flavor, and OS type. And I'm going to combine into a big variable which says Ubuntu flavor, Ubuntu version, Ubuntu OS type, and blah blah blah. So this is where I give the flavor Ubuntu ISO variable. So you can just edit the ISO type however you want and whenever. So yeah, I use some calculations. If the Ubuntu ISO is equal to dot, meaning if it's not changed, I'll just set the ISO to ISO. So I just don't want it as a dot. So I'll give it some processing to do. So I'll say dollar in Ubuntu ISO, $4 in dollar list. I'm gonna set the var star string to Ubuntu and thing which you gave. So what I'm gonna do here for layman's terms is I'm gonna say, hey, if you have updated if I have updated it, then I'm going to loop in the list that to check what you have updated, and I'm going to set the variable Ubuntu OS type Ubuntu processor to the thing which you have set. So that's what I'm doing right now, okay? Then I'm just gonna ask, hey Ubuntu, give me the download link, yeah? Then yeah, just gonna download it, man. Ubuntu flavor and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna get the operating system link, blah blah blah, cd image.ubuntu, and get the release. And I'm gonna get the SHA-256 sum too because it's important. And I'm gonna check if it's tampered with or not. That's it. That's my code. If it's tampered with, I'm gonna say report to Ubuntu. If it's not, I'm gonna give a URL to download and to etch the file. I'll give a link to Balloon Etch. Yeah. Thanks for the explanation, Arvid. Let's see how it runs. Sure, I'll show you how it runs. It says warning: this notebook is not authored by Google. Yeah, it's written by me. So it's gonna download Ubuntu from its repositories. No. From Ubuntu. It's gonna download Ubuntu from Ubuntu. Yep. Oh yeah. It's taking a while, by the way. I'll just pause my recording. The files are almost finished downloading. So now I'm just gonna just gonna check for the sum SHA-256 sum. It downloaded the sums from Ubuntu. You can see that now in the terminal. So yeah, I'll check for the sum now. It'll take a minute. So no need of pausing the recording right now because it's very fast to do that. By the way, the code is in the link in the description down below. Yeah, you can see that. The file is safe. You can go download it. I can click the link and yeah, it's gonna take me to download Ubuntu. Yeah, took me to download Ubuntu. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you soon and bye.